Gary belongs to not the most naughty. I was a beginning teacher, and I think for them it was like also a fresh,
Yes.
moving into secondary 3.
A very exciting time because we were going from in Sec 1 and Sec 2 we want in short pants, and then when you go to Sec 3 you get to use long pants.
And I think the energy clicked very well. I guess if you remember, when I teach, I probably move a lot.
Yes.
And they had a last share of me because I taught the mathematics, the additional mathematics, and
physics as well. So we had
so
three
you see me
subjects
very often.
Every single day we would have at least an hour with him. It was enjoyable. It really was enjoyable.
In preparing them for the mathematics and then in physics, I always trying to relate some real-world examples about life. My whole philosophy was this, that if I were to just take a textbook example, first the kids will not pay attention because it is already there. And for the teacher's part, is that when you have an example already there, you tend to go too fast. And then the kids also will not be learning the process of your thinking. So what I love to do was to just create a problem and then solve the problem there and then on the board, because that's where I have to think, where I've got to make mistake, and it actually challenged me also because it means that I got to be able to calculate as fast as the students.
Prof's favorite thing to do was he write, and he wouldn't call out anybody's name or anything like that. He just break his chalk and he'll turn and just throw in one movement, And you woe betide you if you're not paying attention, you get hit in the head with the chalk. And so he was a good shot. So most times I'd say at least 85 to 90% of the time he hit his target lah.
So the way I try to frighten students is that if you talk too much, you won't be surprised to find a chalk in your mouth.
Maybe it's just because I've been lucky, but most of the teachers that I've had and also teachers that I've met since, and obviously because my wife's a teacher, very few, if any, ever take an MC just because they want to take an MC or because they got something else that they want to go and do. We were talking about the radius of the circle in the formula. So invariably the line will be, so R is equal to and for a long time we were wondering, is R? Is it? No, it's R. R, that's what he was trying to say. So we worked it out, and once we worked it out, then that was all fine.
Pi R square.
It's much better. Our particular class, I think the only thing that we did was that we were very happy that it was a half day. My love for mathematics and for learning, I think, is very much been inspired by what Prof has done. I really am very thankful for everything that you have done. Happy Teachers Day for the coming 2018 Teachers Day.
Very much. I remember the tune. La, 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 la.
Is that? Forward, her children dear, heaven with hearts sincere. Okay, now I'm struggling.